In this quick video, I'll show you how to change wallpaper in laptop Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So changing wallpaper in laptop is pretty simple and it is a very straightforward process. As you can see, I have this image on my desktop. If you have any image, just right click on that image and then click on set as desktop background. Then your desktop background will be changed to that image. And also there is one method as well. For that, right click on your desktop and go to personalize here, and once you are on this window, just go to background and now select the type of background you want to have. If you want to have a picture background, then select it and choose any recent images. Suppose I want to have this image, then I can click on it, then that image will be applied as my background. You can also choose a photo. For that, click on browse photos and now select the image which you want to have as a background. Click on choose picture, then the picture will be applied as your background. You can also go to picture here and select the type of background. If I want to have a solid color, then click on solid color and choose any color from here, then the color will be used as your background. I don't want to have a solid color, I just select picture here, and then as you can see, I have successfully changed my background. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.